Hello, we are Genau AutoWerks, Bring a Trailer local partner here in the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are excited to bring to you this excellent 2007 Honda S2000. Let's check it out and discuss some of the details after a cold start and a quick drive. Thank you. Live on Bring a Trailer right now, this low-mile 2007 Honda S2000. Seen here in new Formula Red over black leather, this AP2 is in extremely good condition inside and out. Coming off a fresh tune-up to ensure it's as ready as it's ever been, carve up some back roads, this high-revving convertible sports car has also had a set of fresh Michelin Pilot Sport tires fitted in preparation for its sale. With only around 15,000 miles, clad in a desirable color, and sporting some of the most iconic styling from the early to mid-2000s, this is a well-made driver's car that's positioned to be on the road for decades to come. Live on Bring a Trailer right now. Go to GenauAutoWerks.com for more information. Thank you.